In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a package from horrorpack.com, which is a bunch of scary movies. Okay, so if you guys are like me, you love horror movies. And don't get me wrong, they scare the shit out of me. Like, I cannot even go to the bathroom by myself after watching a scary movie, but there's just such a joy I get from that fear, and it's just fun. It's really fun. So when I heard about this website called horrorpack.com, I saw a few unboxings here on YouTube and I just got extremely interested and extremely excited about it. So I reached out to them and I asked them if they would send me a box, and they did. So this is not sponsored, but they did send me this box and I wanted to share it with you guys. I have not opened it. I'm covering my address here. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it with you guys on camera and see what's in there. So if you guys want to check it out, it is horrorpack.com. And what you do is you go on the website and you pick a plan. Now you pick either you want DVDs or you want Blu-ray. So the longer that your plan is, the cheaper it is. You get a 3-month option, 6-month option, and 12-month option. The 1-month option is $24.99 for Blu-ray, and 1-month option for DVDs is $19.99. And then they ship you 4 movies every single month. Okay, so now I just want to open it. I'm using my eyebrow razor to open it because I cannot find scissors or a knife. I'm super excited to open this because, like, scary movie family night is the funnest thing in the world, and it's October. Halloween is right around the corner, so that's what we've been doing a lot at my house and my home lately. Is the family gets together, we get drinks and we make hot chocolate and we get in our PJs with all of the animals and we just watch scary movies all night long. It's so fun. But this is what comes in the box. It's a package that is actually sealed pretty nicely. And oh, they sent me Blu-ray. This is, oh, Blu-ray and DVD and digital. Okay, I already am so excited. The first one that I have here is the Bye Bye Man. This is unrated and it says, "Don't think it, don't say it. The evil behind the most unspeakable acts has a name." Okay, so this one looks very dark. And what this is basically about: when 3 college friends stumble upon the horrific origins of the Bye Bye Man, they discover that there's only one way to avoid his curse. Don't think it and don't say it. But once the Bye Bye Man gets inside your head, he takes control, making you see and do the most unspeakable acts committed by man. Okay, so I'm not going to read all of it, but this seems really fun. I'm really excited to watch this. I can't wait to share this with my family because they're going to get just as excited as I am. Another thing why I reached out to this company and wanted to try this out is because if you guys are like me, when you guys sit down with your family or with your loved one to watch a movie, especially on Netflix, you spend more time looking for a movie than you actually watch a movie. Does that happen with you guys? Because that happens to me almost every single time. I spend so much time looking for a movie that we don't even end up watching a movie. So this is really, like, convenient because they pick the movie for you and they're good quality movies. And so yeah, the next movie is The Invisible Man, and this is, oh, this is an older movie. This is, see, I love this, that they even send like older movies. The signature adaptation of H.G. Wells' Invisible Man stars Claude Rains as a mysterious scientist who discovers a serum that makes him invisible. Okay, that right off the bat seems really exciting and interesting. Covered by bandages and dark glasses, the scientist arrives at a small English village and attempts to hide his amazing discovery. He soon realizes, however, that the same drug which renders him invisible is slowly driving him insane and capable of committing unspeakable acts of terror. So I'm not sure what year this is from, but it does seem like a black and white movie, which I've never really watched a scary black and white movie, so I'm really excited. I think this is going to be really, really fun. Yeah, it is a scary black and white movie, so that's going to be really fun. The next one is Against the Night, and this is a Horror Pack limited edition. It says They're Not Alone. So what this one is, Against the Night, is an atmospheric horror tale that is set in motion by Hank, a guerrilla filmmaker who is relentless in his drive to capture visceral footage. Late one night, he persuades a group of friends to sneak into an abandoned prison to document any paranormal activities that their night vision cameras can detect. So, I'm not going to read the rest, but you can kind of tell what's going to go on. There's a lot of scary shit in this movie too. The next one is A Dark Song. Okay, this one it feels like I'll be interested in the most. This is Not Everything Can Be Forgiven. So the cover of it is basically two people and they're sitting in a circle of like something. And then two broken souls and unholy alliance. Grieving Sophia despairs over the tragic loss of her murdered son. Desperate to somehow make contact with the boy she has lost, Sophia believes her prayers are answered when she crosses paths with the reclusive Joseph. An expert in the occult, Joseph reluctantly agrees to aid Sophia through a series of dark and forbidden rituals in order to bring her child back. So that's all I'm going to read. There's more, but I'm not going to read. There's bonus features in here too, so this one looks really scary, and this one looks really interesting. I love like occult scary movies. They're very, very interesting to me, so I'm really happy with these. I cannot wait to watch them. If you guys want a review of all 4 of these after I finish watching them, then leave me a comment down below and like this video, thumbs it up so that I can come back and review all 4 of these. And if we liked it, if we didn't like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun and exciting for me, and if you guys are interested, I will leave the horror pack link down below if you guys want to go check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!